In this video, I'll show you how to create add to cart offers and promotions for free. It doesn't cost anything, yet many people are not really utilizing this feature. It creates another piece of real estate within your own listing that allows you to upsell and cross-sell and increase the cart value of your other items that you sell on Amazon. And again, not many people are using it, so I'm sure that you're gonna get a lot of value. Make sure that you take action, you implement this feature within your listings. Now, before I'm moving into the video, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you click the bell to enable notifications. So for every new video that I upload related to Amazon FBA and e-commerce, you can get yourself notified and up to date. And let's start with the video. Okay, so first, before I show you how to create the promotion, for those of you that don't really know what kind of offer and promotion it is, this is an example of listings that I saw for non-sterile gloves. And if you scroll down, you'll see this big grabbing attention, standing out piece in the like area in the page that called special offers and product promotions. Now when you see this, immediately it's standing out because of the colors of the add to cart, and I think it's great because you create those offers for free to cross-sell, upsells, and grab attention of your customers. And I don't think that it could hurt. So anything that can help your business, can help your conversions, you must really utilize it. And you see it, 95% or 99% of the listings don't have this. And I can show you an example. Let's write let's see the competitors, disposable gloves, for example, or nitrile disposable glove. And let's see how many other people are actually using it, Yes, it's a very competitive category, but as you can see, this one don't have any special promotions. This one also. These ones also none. No one is really using it, and it's a way to stand out. It's a way again to increase the cart value and promote your other products. So in this video now, I'll show you how you create this promotion. It's a little confusing at first, but then when you do it, you can clone and create copies of the same promotions that you created. So you want to go to advertisement and then promotions. Then for promotions, you want to create a percentage off promotion. You're going to click on create. And if you here for buy or purchase, you're going to put at least this quantity of item, at least one. Purchased items, you basically have to create a product collection. So you tell Amazon which items that they purchase this promotion will be applied for. So you can, if you already created one, you can select it. But if not, you click on create a new product selection. You click on create product selection. I'm sorry. You choose a type first. I like to do the ASIN list, create a type. You call it, if it's a list, if it's a like couple of ASINs that are in the same category, you can put them under the same one. I personally like to create product selections of one item only, so I have more control. So I will call it the product name. Also here, some internal description that will help me understand better what is this product selection, and then put the ASIN here. You're going to click submit and then wait a minute or two, and it should refresh the page and it should be under here, or you select another if the list here, if it doesn't show here. And when you select another, you can scroll down all the way to the bottom and it will show you your item. Now here, when you buyer gets, you decide, like if it's this one, actually it's a percentage off, so you write what is the discount here. Let's put 10% off. Okay, now here, if you saw my other video, the percentage off offers to increase sales for free and boost sales, you actually don't touch it. But this one is a little different because this one is an offer, an add to cart offer, which means that when they buy two items together, they get this discount, and that's when you get the add to cart button. With the normal promotions, it will not have the add to cart button, which I think the add to cart is more powerful because it doesn't really give them a lot of room to think and really get confused. They just click add to cart and the items are in their cart. So here you're going to choose additional item, and for additional item, you're going to put the ASIN that you want to target. So for example, Let's go back to our item, not our item, but the item we saw. So you see, save 5% on this item when you purchase one or more qualifying items offered here. So it's this one, the 50 pack with the 100 pack. So if you buy them together, you are going to get like 5% off. So let me show you how it works. So click and then they both show, you see? Very cool feature. So you put here the additional ASIN that you want to create this bundle for. Here for the start date and end date, you're going to choose the start date will be automatically today's date, and for end date, I like to choose it maybe like 2 or 3 months ahead. Here for claim code, you can have it with a coupon code, but I think it's better that you choose none to get the same kind of look like this one. And it's also important that you don't just create one promotion, that you create a stack of promotions. That way, you know, this is a big area that will really stand out. But if you have only one or two here, it doesn't really grabbing attention enough to really make a difference. So you are going to choose here like the end date. Here for internal description, you're gonna write what is this description. Now, when you have like so many listings and so many promotions, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, just for one listing, 10 promotions, it's very important that you internally put the naming in a way that will be very easy to organize and manage. So I like to call it like the product name. So let's say it's disposable gloves 5% off when buying 50 pack. So I know what it is. And here is the tracking. You can do the same thing. Here it's just automatically add percentage off, the date, and then I guess it's a unique number that they generate here. Now for the none, you can click on customize message, and then you'll see how your message will look like. So 7% and all of that. Then you scroll down, you're gonna click on review. Now here it's telling you to choose the items, and here enter an ASIN. Let's put this one. Let's see if it will allow me. Exclude items you can do. Text. Let's put here just for the sake review. Then you're going to click on submit. Usually they will approve it after like an hour or two, but it's very easy, and that's how it looks like. And again, it's very powerful to increase sales without a lot of effort. Now, if you have any questions, you can leave them down below in the comment section, and I can personally reply to your comments. Also, make sure that you like the video, you subscribe to the channel if you didn't subscribe. It will help me reach more people and help more people create freedom with Amazon FBA. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.